Again, I got disconnected. I hope I didn't lose any information, but anyways, let's just continue. So yes, the tax rate is much less if you open a corporation, but the condition is that you gotta have a very high amount of income. If your income is not a lot, it doesn't really matter if you have a corporation or if you file it under your personal name.
Okay, yeah. Okay, that's interesting. But the thing that we have in our tax registration, in our business, we can, even if for the first year, for example, if someone, or for the first 6 months, if someone joined this business and they have not received any revenue, didn't make money, so still they can actually say their expenses.
Yes, we are allowed to report or claim actually our expenses. Because let's say it's very common for any business, regardless of having an online or offline business, it's very common for you not to make any income, at least for the first year. So in the first year, you will have expenses, like you will have your startup costs, as I said, like phone, internet, lots of other things. So you have a loss. You don't have a net income because you didn't earn anything. But the revenue agency allows you to report those expenses as your, as let's say, Minu's expenses in this business, and report it as a negative amount on my personal taxes. And I can carry forward it up to 3 years. So let's say for the first 3 years, I don't have any income. I make zero revenue. I can carry forward it for 3 years. Like for 3 years, I can have loss. And then the fourth year, let's say I make $200,000. I don't pay taxes on 200. I make taxes on 200 minus all those losses. I carry it forward from since 3 years ago.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. Yeah. I think based on what other questions that we've had before, most of them have been covered. Yeah, but these 3 years are just for the Canada, I think, right?
Yes,
I mean, different countries have their, yeah.
Exactly. I can only speak for Canada. Like if you live in other countries, please do check with your accountant or whoever advises you on anything tax related. Like they know better. I can only, but there are some general rules, and I covered those. But in terms of percentages, like the number of years you can carry forward, yes, it's only for Canada. If you live in elsewhere, please talk to your accountant.
Yeah, this live interview was just for the introduction for tax registration in this business. I'm not accountant. Also, Minu is an accountant, but he's not a content advisor for all of viewers that now they are watching us or they're gonna watch us later. We are just talking about the general rules about the taxes in this business and what is the differences between this business taxes with other tax forms.
Exactly. Yes, I do answer tax-related questions, but I'm not a tax consultant in this business, so please don't quote me on anything. Please go ahead and talk to your accountant for anything specific and related to your personal taxes.
Yes, that's great. So I think now we have maybe 5 minutes, so we can wrap up the conversation. You can say how they can join this business if they want to join, or and the rest of this I will say.
Of course. So yes, we have an online business. It's a business opportunity. It's not an employment. You are not going to be an employee. You will work for yourself with high commissioned companies worldwide who are making a lot of money, and they're also paying a lot of commissions. So if you are interested, if you want to work for yourself, if you want to not to spend too much time, maybe 2 or 3 hours a day suffices. It's not like I have a full-time job. I also have time for this business. If I can do it, you can do it too. So if you are interested, please connect with either myself or Maria, and we're going to provide you with a link to give you a webinar which is a workshop, explains this business to some extent. So you just watch it, and then you will have questions. Then go back to myself or Mariam, and we'll help you with the rest of the steps. If you are eager to get the details on this business, you need to enter the 30-day trial, which allows you to do the investigations, whatever you need, whatever information you need to make a decision whether you want to do this business or not. You have 30 days. For that, you gotta pay $150. So that goes to a trust account. We keep it. We're not gonna spend it on anything until you give us the the green light to go ahead with your business. If you're not happy with this, if you don't want to do it, we'll refund you the $150 fee. But if you're happy, you want to start this business, that is your tuition fee. That is for your training. That is for the website that covers all the trainings, the videos, designing your website, basically everything you need to set up for your business. That $150 is for that.
Yes, exactly. So finally, they actually need to make decision for their life. If they are interested, just register in our websites or send your email and name to us to register your information in our website, which is free, no fee for the registration.
Exactly.
Thank you so much for your time, Minujan. I think it was very great. It's been very helpful information for tax. Thank you again for you, and thank you everyone watching us. Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much. Thanks everyone. Have a good day and night. Take care. Bye.
You too. Bye-bye. Bye everyone. Bye.